So, let's talk about your hormones. Tired, moody, stubborn fat? Your hormones are screaming for help. This cell is the culprit. Let's fix it. We're inside your body. Those red pulsing orbs are cortisol particles. When they're too high, we need to keep them balanced. High cortisol creates stress chaos. Look at this pie chart floating here. 80% of fatigue and weight gain comes from hormone imbalance. See stress taking the biggest piece? That's cortisol doing most of the damage. And here, cortisol's main target. Welcome to the adrenal gland area. These are cortisol orbs. High cortisol causes anxiety, constant tiredness, and that dreaded cortisol belly, deep visceral fat around your organs. This is the fat you can't just diet away. It's stress storage. But we can shrink it. First hack, stress management. Meditation lowers cortisol by 20%. Try it daily. Just 10 minutes a day can calm your adrenals. Feel that peace already? Check the table. Meditation leads, but yoga and breathing help too. Deep breathing works instantly. Watch the microbes slow down around us. Next, ashwagandha supplement. Clinical studies show 30% reduction. Look at the bars. Ashwagandha is the strongest here. Down the hatch. It's working its magic. Feel that energy returning? Cortisol dropping fast! IIT is killer for cortisol belly. Just 15 minutes a day melts visceral fat. See this steady drop? Consistency wins every time.
Now, the gonads area, where testosterone is made. Now, testosterone, the hormone of strength and drive for both men and women.
Low T, you get muscle loss, low energy, and low mood. Let's boost it. Hack 1, resistance training, lifts testosterone 20%. Watch this! A fist pump simulates resistance. See that glow? This hacking disc is simple and powerful. Try it and feel the boost! Weights outperform cardio. Check this chart. But this night, you barrio. Weights are the clear winner here. Zinc and vitamin D together can double testosterone in just 30 days. Zinc from oysters, healthy fats, quality sleep, all add up. Never skips 7 to 9 hours of sleep. It optimizes testosterone production.
Look, your body is rebuilding while you rest.
Estrogen balance is next, super important for mood and body composition. Imbalance causes mood swings, bloating, and weight gain. Let's fix it. Broccoli and other cruciferous veggies help detox excess estrogen. Burns it you crave. Broccoli leads, flax seeds are close behind. Cardio reduces estrogen another 25%. Get moving!
See, your body loves this cardio action.
So get up and move. Your hormones will thank you. Simple foods and movement. Easy and powerful. Seed cycling aligns your cycle phases beautifully.
How phase of okay, it's meets your grand. Thyroid controls your metabolism. When it's slow, you're exhausted. Hack 1. Iodine from sea salt or kelp supports T4 to T3 conversion. Iodine, selenium, zinc, look at the clear leaders. They support your thyroid's hormone production. Zinc helps convert the hormones too. So, eat your nutrients. Cook cruciferous veggies to avoid goitrogens. They can interfere. See, we push that soy right away. Now, let's explore the benefits of cruciferous veggies. Yoga and stress reduction lower TSH imbalance? Feels so good. Small daily changes deliver big results. Like these tips for thyroid health. They can improve your energy by up to 30%. Cortisol belly is stubborn stress fat. Let's shrink it for good. Whoa, look at the size of this thing. First, get 8 hours of sleep. Then, try 16-8 fasting. Combine them for double the power against cortisol. Consistent effort shows this beautiful drop. Morning walks cut cortisol another 15%. Fresh air works wonders. Here's every hack in one clear view. Pick one today. Start small. Meditation, sleep, or weights. Small wins build fast. Which hormone hack are you trying first? Drop it in the comments! Drop it in the comments! Welcome inside. Here, white blood cells protect you from invaders. Look, they're attacking bacteria right now. If this helped, smash that like button. Always check with your doctor before big changes. But these strategies are backed by real science, proven results. All 6 hacks, ready for you to start today. Start with stress management. It changes everything. It affects the brain, calming your thoughts, and it protects your heart, reducing strain. So start there. Let's see how hormones power your body. In the brain, feel-good chemicals boost your mood. Adrenaline in your blood gives you energy. In your gut, hormones are sound who needs go use it. Energy, mood, confidence, all yours to reclaim. Be the best new right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay optimized. Hit subscribe and the bell. Don't miss the next one. Wow, look at this heart pumping. Let's explore. Now we're in the brain, all these neurons firing. What a tour. Subscribe for more adventures inside.
Real science. Real results.